Hi, it's Yoshi. Today I'd like to talk about leg lift. Leg lift is a really simple exercise, but again, when the exercise is simple, it's so easy to do it with a habit. It's an exercise you lying down your back and lifting your legs up and down, but you don't want to overuse your quads for this exercise. So there's two things I would like to suggest for this exercise. One is flexing the ankles. By doing so, it makes it easier to engage your hamstrings, adductor, and your deep abdominals. Another thing is try to move the legs as parallel as possible. And by doing that, you really have to control the pelvis and also control the hip joints. And it's really important to cooperate those two to be able to use the force effectively and make it easy for your body. When we have proper movement, the movement can heal our body. And I'd like to use a different wording from today. And here's what I can say. Let's heal the body with today's movement.
Lying down your back with the feet sip-on with the pad. Flex your ankles, inhale lift the right leg and exhale lower. Try to keep the knee in the same angle, just hinging at the hip joint. Let's switch to the other leg, hinge at the hip joint, keep the knee in the same angle. Move the leg as parallel as you can. Now alternating one by one. It's really important to inhale to lift and elongating your waistline. Unless your waistline is long and skinny, it's hard to use your deep abdominals, more likely to rely on your quads. Move the legs as parallel as you can. You're gonna do one more set, then switch at the same time. And switch, and switch, and switch. Keep going. When you're switching, it gets harder to keep it parallel. So make your waistline long and skinny to stabilize the pelvis and control your hip joints. Try not to open the knees or closing the hips. Bring the heels down and we are done.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. Don't forget, it's about the body. Enjoy your practice.